Hey there, welcome to Seeker of Truth. Today, I will show you how you can turn your passion for photography and videography into cash with Shutterstock. Whether you're a professional or love capturing moments, this is for you. First things first, what is Shutterstock? It's a platform where millions of people download photos and videos for their projects. And guess what? You can be one of the contributors and earn money every time your content is downloaded. Click on the link in the description and you'll come to this dashboard. Here's the guidance for steps about how you can become a contributor. Click on Get Started. I already created the account, so I'm not going to fill in these fields. Enter your full name, display name, email, and password, and tick this box. Now click on Get Started. So this is how you can upload your images on Shutterstock. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Have a look here. Your pending items will be reviewed within 5 days. We will let you know when they've been reviewed. It means Shutterstock will review this picture and then let us know if it is selected or rejected. Have a look here. Your pending items will be reviewed within 5 days. We will let you know when they've been reviewed. It means Shutterstock will review this picture and then let us know if it is selected or rejected. This is where your review pictures or videos are displayed about whether they will be selected or rejected. Here your selected pictures will be displayed, which will be live on Shutterstock. Upload your content and add descriptive keywords and titles. This helps your work get discovered easily by buyers. Make sure to use relevant tags so your photos and videos show up in search results. Come forward to the earnings summary. Click on earnings now, click on earnings summary, and here's your earnings summary dashboard where you can see total earnings, total downloads, referral earnings, and total referrals. You can earn by referral program too. Click on my referral and here's your referral link. Copy the link and share it with your friends. When an artist signs up and their work is downloaded, then you can earn $0.4 on images and 10% on videos. And when a customer or a buyer signs up with your link, then you can earn 20%, up to $200. Come to the main point. How do I withdraw? Click on Payment History. You'll see your payout history here once you've reached the minimum amount. The default minimum payout amount is $25.0 for PayPal or Skrill and $500.0 for checks. Earn money every time someone downloads your content. Shutterstock pays contributors a percentage of the sale every time their photos or videos are purchased. The more downloads, the more money you make. And here's the best part, your content can keep earning for years. Imagine uploading a few photos today and getting paid for them next year. It's passive income at its finest. So, if you've got a camera and a creative eye, why not give Shutterstock a try? Start uploading today, and who knows, your photos could be the next big hit. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.